Well, good morning. Welcome back to the job site. Today, we are just going to do a reface. I'm going to pull out those Amazon Fresh faces and put in some nice new blanks because the store just got decommissioned. This shouldn't be too crazy. This happens a lot. This is a very common part of the sign industry. So let's get busy. All right, here we go. I had $1 for every face I've swapped out. It's probably one of the more straightforward, easiest things you can do in signs. The only thing that can really go wrong here is if the new ones don't fit. Because I have never worked on this sign, and all we have to go off is the drawing from when these were originally done, I don't know, 2 years ago. So I have no idea. We'll find out here in a minute. But first thing we gotta do is take the retainer off so we can slide the face out. One more. Let go. It's convenient, I can just leave that right there. Ah! This is energized. Ow. Yeah, I was getting shocked by that. Oh, I'm just gonna pull it out, get it on my foot. Just like that. Go down and grab the new one. So the landing zone right here. Blink. Grab a new face. Ow. It looks like it's gonna fit. Going up. What a lovely day. This is the hard part. Air quotes, hard part. Just like that. Easy peasy. This is energized. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Actually, you know, it's probably because I'm really close to these overhead lines. We are right below big ass transmission lines, and I'm getting like mildly shocked. Yeah, it's just killing my meter. Just don't want to get like blown up. This is sketchy. It's just crazy. It really tells you how much voltage is up there. Those are probably, I don't know, 125,000 volt lines. More than your residential lines anyway. Makes me worry about the other side. Yeah, it won't be too bad. Well, there's that. Let's go do the other side. Just don't want to touch this thing. It's just crazy. Ow. Just do not want to touch this thing. I'm gonna go find some gloves. It'll help a little bit. Like, it's probably only about like what a 12 volt battery would be, or a 9 volt battery maybe. But it's not consistent. I don't want to get surprised by it. I really don't expect these to do anything. I'm kind of hoping they will, but at least give me some layer. Those wires are probably 40 feet above me, which is plenty. Just induction. Okay, well, that doesn't hurt. Stay. Ow. Come out. That is tight. I got a pair of vice grips. Like a so. Same thing we did last time. Out on my foot. Voila. Excuse me. Plop. Grab a new one. more into the breach. Since I can't reach that side to clean it, I gotta clean it first. Feel the hairs on my arms. Ow. Like that's in there all the way. Just give it a good beating. You scurvy little... There. And that is how you do that. Last screw in here. Alright, well that was exciting. Shocking even. Yeah, that's just... It makes me respect linemen so much more. I mean, they crawl out on these lines. They jump off of helicopters onto these lines. That's some crazy stuff. That's really cool. So that's really all I got to say about this one. That's the basics of swapping out a sign face. It's as easy as you thought. So that's all I got to say. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.